Um, you know, Building a home or a building, big or small, is a large, important, and often very personal project and investment that owners, designers, and builders get involved with. They devote their minds to it, and often their hearts and souls as well. And we at Logix Brands never fail to appreciate when we're chosen to play a part in making these dreams and aspirations come true for our customers. Most outstanding commercial, our winner. This is in this is Landings Point Industrial Park, supporting territory manager Jeff Nipper, supplying Logix dealer, Utah ICF, and you can't mention Utah ICF without mentioning Dan McCullough, who that's his company, and Dan's been a Logix ICF and ICF in general advocate for years, and they provided the support to Done Right Construction for this very impressive facility. This is located in West Jordan, Utah. It's a 17,280 square foot footprint. It involved 13,728 square foot of Logix wall built in a 12-week window. A man hour rate of 0.0625 man hours per square foot for tall walls. That's just fantastic speed of construction. And you know what? If Classy Chassis focused on the benefits of building with ICF in the cold winter, this project can talk about building with ICF in a hot, hot summer. This is the third of three similar buildings in this industrial park. And done right, it was a tough year in general for supply chain and many things. The footing contractor was delayed. As a result, Done Right lost the ICF erection crew who were originally scheduled. So now they're thinking, what do we do? What do we do? Do we try to hire another crew, but everyone's booked up? Do we convert this to a steel frame to get someone else to build it, or do we do it ourselves? And so the people at Done Right, they worked with Dan McCullough at Utah ICF, and they decided, let's train us, support us, and let us self build. And this project was actually built by a 3-man crew, a father with 2 sons, and it was just out of circumstance. Working together with Dan McCullough, they were able to pre-order and order material on site, avoiding additional lost time and risk to the construction projects, which was just happening all over the place last year. Pre-planning and proper housekeeping at the job site allowed our construction crew to keep material properly stored, says Done Right. This is a summer build in Utah, 100 degrees Fahrenheit outside temperatures, no air conditioning indoors. The building remained cool. It was sheltered by the Logix ICF walls and the EPDM roof with R38 rated insulation. You can see how some of the Logix block got a bit discolored due to UV exposure. That can happen. It does not affect if it's not extensive and this is just surface discoloration, it doesn't affect the performance of the block. Sometimes that can happen when there's extensive UV exposure. The previous 3 buildings in this area were steel, and the steel building design had a certain energy consumption. And this building signed up for an energy consumption program that was based on the energy usage of the other 3 similar buildings in the development. And as it turns out, this building used, I believe it was, about 1/3 the energy, less than 1/3 of the other building's power. So they were actually Done Right was fortunate to escape this contract that they got involved with, using an energy efficiency initiative program that was approved. So that's fantastic. This was Done Right's first time building an ICF project. It was successful. It was self-performed. It was efficient. It was done on time. And they've taken this experience and shown high school and college classes the benefits of this type of sustainable and ease of construction method. They faced all sorts of challenges with COVID-19, material availability, inflating costs, but you know what? They got through and were ultimately successful. And so we want to recognize again Landings Point Industrial Park Jeff Nipper, Utah ICF, Done Right Construction.